Hello everyone. In our last lecture, we studied about water resources. Today, we are going to start our next topic, that is mineral resources. Friends, mineral are non-renewable natural resources. They are directly related to the development of human society. The modern civilization depend on the availability of mineral resources, but the distribution of mineral resources on the earth is uneven. Friends, after meaning the processing, they are used by man for various purposes. The process of mineral formation are beyond of human control. Next, types of minerals. Friends, mineral resources are of the three types. First one is metallic, second non-metallic, and third one is energy resources. Friends, metallic means iron, copper, silver, gold, aluminium, manganese, etc. And the non-metallic minerals means gypsum, potash, limestone, mica, etc. And third one, energy resources. That is the petroleum, uranium, platinum, etc. Friends, whatever be the type, the minerals cannot be used directly. Only after processing and refined they become usable. Next, use of exploitation. Friends, minerals are used for various purposes like domestic, agriculture, industrial, and commercial. So the table show the major countries, the mineral resources and their uses. First one, minerals. We are having here minerals. And next, production of countries. Which country produce this type of mineral? And last one is uses. First, iron. Iron produce USA, Brazil, India, and Canada. And major use of iron is steel production and heavy machineries. Next one is manganese. Manganese produced in India. The major production of manganese in India, Ghana, South Africa, and Brazil. Uses of the manganese steel alloyments and heat resistant for high strengths. Next one, bauxite. The production of bauxite in Australia and Guinea, and use of the bauxite is tensils. Next mineral, chromium. Chromium will be produced in South Africa, and uses of chromium in is steel alloy and chrome plating. Next mineral, copper. Copper, the major production of copper in USA, Canada, Chile, Zambia, and the major uses of copper, cooking vessels and electric wiring. Next one is gold. Gold, the major production of gold in South Africa, Canada, and India. And the major uses of gold, we know that jewelry and medicinal use. And next one, lead. The major production of lead in USA, Mexico, and Australia, and the uses of lead, that is car batteries and paints and ammunitions, etc. Friends, these are the minerals and their uses. Friends, next one, non-metallic minerals. See here, these are minerals and these are major uses of these minerals. First one is silicate. Use of silicate is in glass industry, sand and gravel for construction, bricks, paving, etc. Next one, gypsum. Uses of gypsum in agriculture and plaster wall board. Next one is potash. Potash used in fertilizers. Next, sulfur pyrites. It can be used in medicines and car batteries. And last one, limestones. Limestone it is used in cement industry. Friends, these are the all non-metallic minerals and their uses. Next topic, environmental impact. Friends, the environmental damages due to mining activities. First one is defacing of landscape. Friends, the vegetation and topsoil cover of the mining area is removed due to mining. Thus, devegetation and the deforestation lead to ecological losses. Friends, the total area is also affected. Also affected. Next one, surface water pollution. Uh, these are this is the more major impact of environment. Friends, the acidic water of mines affected various form of aquatic lives. Uh, when such water enter into water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, or ponds, etc. Next, impact air pollution. Friends, while separating and purifying the metals from impure earths, the smelting is done. A lot of air pollutant are emitted during smelting and the suspended particulate matter, that is SPM, shoot arsenic particles, that is lead, etc. Shoot up the atmosphere. The public also suffers from severe health problems. So this is the most, this is the you can say major impact of environment. Next, health hazards. Friends, due to the suspended particulate matter and toxic substances, most of the workers suffer from the skin and respiratory disease. These are the major impact of environment. Next point, conservation of minerals. Friends, once the limited stock of minerals is exhausted, it can not be reformed. So therefore, it is very important to recognize that mineral deposit are not unlimited. So conservation of minerals is needed, but some measures can be adopted to conserve the minerals. You can see. First one is recycling. Friends, in recycling, the wastage of material like iron, copper, lead, zinc, or aluminium scrap must be collected and then after remelting and reprocessing, so it should be turned into new products. Next one, uh, reuse. The reuse of some items is more beneficial than the recycling. For example, reuse of glass bottles, etc. Next, use of eco-friendly technology. Friends, the use of eco-friendly technology, meaning technology, is very useful to reducing the adverse effect of mining. Some the low-grade ores can be better utilized by adopting uh, microbial techniques or microbial teaching techniques. Next, use of wastage. Friends, the waste material of one industry may be used as a raw material in the related another industry. These are the conservation. Friends, hope you understand this topic. Thank you.